The Galaxy S25 Edge is a fresh addition to the Galaxy S series, generating plenty of excitement. With numerous speculations circulating, here's a complete roundup of the latest rumors and reports. In terms of hardware, the Galaxy S25 Edge is expected to share similarities with the rest of the series. However, instead of the standard 8-core Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, it might feature a 7-core variant of the same SoC. Other possible specifications include storage options of 128GB or 512GB, paired with 8GB of RAM. Potential 512GB plus 12GB variant in development. A battery capacity ranging between 3,900 mAh and 4,000 mAh. A 6.7-inch AMOLED Infinity O display, likely with a resolution of around 1080x2400, though details on brightness and refresh rate remain unknown. One UI 7 featuring the latest Galaxy I enhancements. 7 years of OS upgrades. One of the more unusual aspects of the Galaxy S25 Edge could be its camera setup. Early rumors suggest it may come equipped with a 200-megapixel main camera alongside a 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor. The device is set to launch later this year. From what we know so far, the Galaxy S25 Edge is shaping up to be an impressive piece of engineering. It's expected to be under 6.4mm thick, making it at least 10% slimmer than the standard Galaxy S25. The phone may also feature a titanium frame similar to the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Other rumored specs include a 4,000 mAh battery with 25-watt fast charging and a toned-down version of the Snapdragon 8 Elite with 7 CPU cores. Samsung appears to be positioning this as a premium device, distinct from the Fan Edition models designed for budget-conscious buyers. This mysterious phone, once rumored as the Galaxy S25 Slim, definitely lives up to its name. At the demo booth, Samsung showed off just how incredibly thin this phone is by hanging it next to mock-up Galaxy S devices. While Samsung hasn't revealed the exact dimensions yet, likely because the final design isn't set, it's clear the S25 Edge is all about slimness. According to rumors, the Galaxy S25 Edge might measure just 6.4mm thick, making it the slimmest rigid phone yet, even thinner than the Galaxy Z Flip 6 when unfolded. It also features a dual-camera setup, rumored to include a 200-megapixel main camera and either a 50-megapixel or 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens. Samsung's message is clear. The Galaxy S25 Edge is bringing a whole new level of sleek to the S25 lineup. All reliable sources indicated that the Galaxy S25 Edge, or whatever it may ultimately be called, could launch in 39 markets. However, the United States is notably absent from the list. While this information isn't comprehensive and should be taken with some caution, it raises the possibility that the Galaxy S25 Edge might not just be delayed until May. It may never be released in the US at all. Rumors about the phone's sleek and stylish design have been circulating for months, generating significant anticipation. Yet it seems that not everyone eagerly awaiting its debut will have the chance to experience it. According to the source, these are the countries and regions where the Galaxy S25 Edge or Special Edition is likely to be available: Afghanistan, Australia, Austria, Brazil, Caucasus, Croatia, Egypt, France, India, Iraq, Ireland, Israel, Kazakhstan, Kenya, Libya, Malaysia, Mexico, Morocco, Nigeria, Pakistan, Philippines, Poland, Portugal, Russia, Saudi Arabia, Senegal, Serbia/Montenegro, Singapore, Slovenia, South Africa, Sri Lanka, Switzerland, Thailand, Tunisia, Turkey, UAE, United Kingdom, Uzbekistan, and Vietnam. At Unpacked 2025, the company showcased a prototype of this sleek device, generating buzz among fans. However, recent leaks about its battery and charging capabilities might temper expectations. According to Tipster, the Galaxy S25 Edge is set to feature a 3,900 mAh battery with 25 ELE fast charging, as revealed through China's 3C certification site. While this corroborates earlier rumors, it also highlights a surprising shortfall. The Edge variant has a smaller battery than the standard Galaxy S25, which boasts a 4,000 mAh capacity. Despite the battery compromise, the S25 Edge packs a punch in performance. It is rumored to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy, an overclocked variant of Qualcomm's latest chip, offering significant improvements over the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy used in the S24 Ultra. However, with a 6.6mm thin design, Samsung may have needed to adjust the heat dissipation system, potentially impacting sustained performance. The Galaxy S25 Ultra, meanwhile, addresses previous concerns about overheating with an upgraded vapor chamber cooling system, suggesting Samsung is taking thermal performance seriously across its lineup. The S25 Edge, rumored to launch in April 2025, is expected to feature a dual-camera setup on the back. While the sleek build and premium look might attract buyers, the modest battery and charging capabilities could pose a challenge to its success. Will Samsung's bold design gamble pay off, or will the Edge fall short in a fiercely competitive market? Only time will tell. The S25 Edge immediately stands out for its incredibly slim design. Rumors suggest the device measures just 6.4 millimeters thick, significantly thinner than the Galaxy S25 Ultra's 8.2 millimeters profile. That's a difference of 0.25 inches versus 0.32 inches, making it impressively sleek. However, the camera bump is prominent in person and seems even more noticeable against the phone's otherwise slim and streamlined design. For comparison, the rumored iPhone 17 Air is said to be even thinner at 5.5 millimeters, but this hasn't been confirmed yet. If the showcase design is final, the Galaxy S25 Edge will feature 2 rear cameras instead of the 3 found on the Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra. It's likely this model includes a main camera and an ultra-wide lens, possibly omitting a telephoto zoom. With a rumored 200-megapixel main camera, users could rely on digital zoom for decent results, though an ultra-wide lens offers a perspective digital zoom simply can't replicate. Meanwhile, the iPhone 17 Air is rumored to include only a single rear camera, which could feel limiting by comparison. The Galaxy S25 Edge is also rumored to feature a 6.7-inch display, matching the Galaxy S25 Plus in size but smaller than the S25 Ultra's 6.9-inch screen. Speculation suggests this could be Samsung's first phone to use tandem OLED technology, potentially contributing to its slim profile. While not confirmed, this would be a significant innovation. The price of the S25 Edge remains uncertain, but it's expected to fall between the Galaxy S25 Plus $999. My guess is it'll land under $1,200, as it's hard to imagine consumers paying more for a flagship that lacks a third camera. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Peace out. Samsung's latest foldable phone has been on the market for over 6 months. Many fans are now looking ahead to the Galaxy Z Fold 7. While the Galaxy Z Fold lineup was once the gold standard for foldable phones, competition from brands like OnePlus and Google has pushed Samsung to step up its game. However, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 brought minimal upgrades, leaving some users disappointed. Despite this, Samsung still leads in terms of software experience on foldables. If Samsung sticks to its usual release schedule, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 will likely be unveiled in July 2025. So far, there's no sign of an earlier launch, allowing Samsung to avoid the crowded fall release season. Pricing details remain scarce, but rumors suggest a possible price increase due to higher costs for the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, something that may also impact the Galaxy S25 series. With the Fold 6 already struggling at $1,799, a price hike could make it an even tougher sell. Design has been a major discussion point in recent years, especially as competitors like the OnePlus Open and Pixel 9 Pro Fold refine their hardware. Samsung also faces increased competition in global markets, where brands like Honor, Vivo, and Huawei offer compelling alternatives. The Galaxy Z Fold Southeast, introduced in late 2024, may provide hints about the Fold 7's design. Reports suggest the Fold 7 will feature a larger 6.5-inch cover display and an 8-inch main screen. It could also be thinner and lighter, much like the Fold Southeast, which trimmed 1.5 millimeters off the thickness and shed 3 grams compared to the Fold 6. However, some sacrifices may be required, such as dropping the specialized digitizer needed for S Pen support. A January 2025 interview with Fastprint by the Elec indicated that Samsung doesn't plan to introduce major changes to the Z Fold 7, instead saving bigger upgrades for the Z Fold 8 in 2026. On the performance side, the Fold 7 is expected to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite, offering a 45% boost in performance and 40% better efficiency over the previous generation. It will likely feature up to 16 gigs of RAM and 1 TB of storage, though the base model may stick with 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage. One key question is whether Samsung will improve the cameras. The Fold 6 has used a 50-megapixel/10-megapixel/12-megapixel setup for years. Even a slight upgrade to the Fold 7's camera system could make it more appealing. The Fold 7 will likely keep the 4,400 mAh battery from its predecessor, along with 25-watt wired and 15-watt wireless charging. According to @PandaFlashPro on X/Twitter, Samsung won't be changing the price tags this year. If true, the Fold 7 will stick to its hefty $1,899 starting price, while the Flip 7 will begin at $1,099. On one hand, that's great news, new hardware without a price hike. On the other, those hoping for more affordable foldables might be disappointed. But don't lose hope just yet. Rumors hint at Samsung launching 4 foldable models this year. Maybe one of them will finally break the price barrier. However, reports suggest these models will focus on refining existing features rather than introducing groundbreaking innovations. Minor changes for the Z Flip 7 and Z Fold 7. While the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition demonstrated that slim foldable phones can deliver excellent camera performance, the Z Flip 7 and Z Fold 7 may not follow suit with major advancements. According to a South Korean report, significant changes could be reserved for the Galaxy Z Flip 8 and Z Fold 8, set to debut in 2026. An executive from Fastprint, Samsung's first high-density interconnect HEI supplier for the Galaxy S25 series, revealed the company's sales goals. Samsung reportedly aims to sell 6 million units of the Z Flip 7 and Z Fold 7 combined. This figure contrasts with an ambitious 7 million unit target for the Z Flip 8 and Z Fold 8, suggesting Samsung is betting on future innovation to drive sales. The foldable phone's sales forecast comes amidst broader industry challenges for Samsung. In 2025, the company plans to sell 230 million smartphones, a notable drop from the pre-pandemic peak of 300 million units in 2019. The effects of the pandemic and ongoing market shifts have capped recovery, with 2024 smartphone sales reportedly around 222 million units. Samsung's Galaxy S24 performed strongly in 2024, selling 35 million units, surpassing the Galaxy S23 series. Expectations for the Galaxy S25 series are even higher, with a projected 37 million units sold, potentially rivaling the success of the iconic Galaxy S10 series. Breakdown of Galaxy S25 production plans. Galaxy S25, 13 to 14 million units. Galaxy S25 Plus, 6 to 7 million units. Galaxy S25 Ultra, 17 million units. The Z Flip 7 and Z Fold 7 may offer evolutionary improvements rather than revolutionary features, but Samsung remains optimistic about its future foldable lineup. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Peace out.